if you want to go back on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, if you have, for example, these three buttons at the bottom of the screen, then you need to find this arrow that can be on the right side over here or on the left side, so you can tap on it in order to go back to the previous screen that you had before. And in addition to that, of course, we can have gestures instead, so let's switch to the gesture navigation. There we go. And over here, if you want to go back, you can simply swipe from the left side of the phone like this. As you can see, if I try to go back, I have this arrow in this place, so it means that I will go back to the previous screen. So we can of course simply swipe from the left side towards the middle in order to go back to the previous page. And that's pretty much it. If you want to go to the home screen in this case, then you need to simply swipe up from the bottom. And if you want to go to the home screen while using 3 buttons navigation, then you need to press this circle button in the middle. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!